After every union budget, one question always comes up. Is this the start of a new trend or just a short term reaction? Instead of guessing, let's do what we always do. Let data lead and let statistics confirm. Hi, this is Kamal. In this analysis, there are no predictions or trade calls. I am simply reading what market history and sector performance tells us about how Nifty behaves after the budget. When we look at the last 10 years of data, the numbers are very clear. On average, Nifty delivered about 1.1% in the week after the budget, and it closed positive 75% of the time. That means 3 out of every 4 budgets led to a higher Nifty 1 week later. Statistically, the first week after the budget carries a bullish bias. But the real story is not the index, it is the sectors. Post budget, money does not chase the entire market. It rotates into specific sectors that benefit most from policy clarity and government spending. Pharma delivered an average return of 3.2% with a 92% win rate. PSU Banks delivered an average return of 3.6% with a 75% win rate, while technology delivered an average return of 1.5% with a 75% win rate. This tells us something very important. After the budget, capital flows into healthcare, public sector banks, and technology, not the whole index. At the same time, sectors like FMCG and auto tend to remain muted. This is why markets often feel confusing after the budget. Some stocks are rallying hard, but the index appears stuck. That happens because sector winners and losers offset each other. Even when pharma and PSU banks are raising, selling in FMCG, auto, or metals keeps Nifty compressed. This creates higher volatility in stocks but compression in the index, which is why option selling, especially call rating, dominates after the budget. So, what does this mean for traders? History tells us that the first week after the budget has a statistical bullish bias for Nifty, but the real opportunity is not in blindly buying the index. It lies in understanding which sectors attract capital. Budgets do not create index breakouts, they create sector trends. So, watch pharma, PSU banks, and technology more closely than the index itself. Until then, price leads, data confirms, and patience pays. Thanks for watching, and remember one thing: trade what you see, not what you feel.